For those of us in the West, having an Android smartphone without access to the Google Play Store is almost a death sentence, but installing Google Play services on the Mate 30, Mate 30 Pro or even the Honor 9X is ridiculously easy. Take another 5 minutes and we're going to show you how to do so. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So firstly, starting with a factory fresh Chinese Mate 30 Pro, you'll obviously want to go through all of the setup processes and obviously you want to be connected to a solid Wi-Fi network. Once the Mate or the Honor 9X is activated and ready, it's as easy as opening the browser and heading to this URL. Of course, I'll put a link in the description to download the Google Services Framework Installer APK file. Hit the big blue button to download the Installer APK and then run it once it's in your Downloads folder. This is probably the longest process. The installer will download and obviously install all of the necessary frameworks and files on your device, and finally it will install the Google Play Store app. At this point you should be able to run the Google Play Store, although you may be unable to sign in. Don't worry, as a device reset will fix that issue. Once powered on again, you just need to reopen the Play Store and sign in. You can now download all of the common Google apps one by one until you're happy. Everything of course will run as normal and it will be logged in automatically. If you encounter an issue right after you install an app, just restart the phone and it will fix any problems. You may see this with Maps and YouTube for instance. My advice though would be to install every app you want, run them and then restart for an issue-free process. That's literally all there is to it. It takes around about 5 to 10 minutes tops and you've got all of the goodness of the Google ecosystem. Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail and even Google Pay all work as you would expect them to. If you do have any questions, then leave them in the comments section below and we'll try to answer as many as humanly possible. You can also find a direct link to the Google Services Framework installer so you can quickly get Google apps on your Huawei or Honor phone. Of course, if you have enjoyed the video, give this a thumbs up and share it to people who may be looking to purchase the Mate 30 Pro once it's available later this year. But as always, this is Damien with 9to5Google saying thanks for watching, and until next time, I will speak to you later.